Welcome! We have a second example within a month of a comet being destroyed by the sun. You can see it here approaching the sun, but this comet, although it's a small one, has something interesting to teach us. This is what's called a sun-grazer comet. It's a small example of such, and I believe from its orbit it's still a member of the Crux series. It was first detected on the 22nd of May and destroyed on the 24th of May. The interesting thing about this comet, you can see it enter the inner corona of the sun, the nucleus be destroyed, and the rest of the comet dissipate into gas and dust before it reaches the sun and is blown away by the solar wind. This is not like a meteor burning up in the Earth's atmosphere. It's not from friction with the solar corona, because at these distances there's not very much corona for it to collide with. This is dissipated by just the sheer heat power of the sun. I'm going to show you two videos. One is the outer field of view of the LASCO coronagraph on SOHO. This is called the C3 movie. The comet moves along this trail here and just misses this little star that you can see there. So this gives you some idea of where to look in the picture. It'll be hard for you to pick it up initially, but once it gets past that star, it becomes quite obvious where it is. So I'll give you two repeats of this movie. The second movie is the high-resolution C2 field of view from the LASCO coronagraph on SOHO. You can see a picture of the comet here with a bright nucleus and a distinct tail. It follows a path something like this, but it never actually reaches the inner part of the corona. It dissipated just before it reaches the occulting disk. Again, I'll give two repeats of the movie. So what can we conclude from all of this? This is a small comet. It never got close to the sun before disintegrating. So this was destroyed by the direct heating of the sun. It probably got within about a million kilometers or more before being burned up. And the solar wind then picks up the dust and gas that's left over from the comet and dissipates it and moves it further away from the sun. So until next time, goodbye.